Wayne is here, Wayne from Boyle's. Today what we're going to be doing, we just put this boiler in. It's a steam boiler, and we're about to fire it up and get it all started up. When we start it up for the first time, we have to do a process called skimming, which we use some sort of washing powder or washing suds or TSP. It's called, and basically what happens, there's a bunch of oils in the boiler that come from the factory when it's built, and in order to get those oils off to cause the heater to run and the way you want it to run, you have to skim it. So basically you put this stuff in it, put some water in it, and it like washes all the oils off of it. So after you've done that, then you start it up. It prevents the water from boiling violently and making a bunch of banging noises in the radiators and a bunch of problems. If you do it right the first time, you shouldn't have to do it again.